So this is it. I just finished my first year as a YouTuber. I started this channel because I'm doing lots of things and projects. I figured this might be interesting to watch. In January last year I released my first video. I didn't really know what I was doing. I just knew that I want to start. My first videos were just me talking to the camera without script, and then I tried to cut it all together afterwards so that it would make any sense. It was catastrophe. And of course I didn't really want those videos to be seen by anybody, but I decided to upload them anyway. I just didn't want to wait with uploading until I would maybe learn to produce good videos. My goal for this first year was to learn all the basics of producing those videos and to release at least 52, so one per week. That means that I had to develop a workflow that includes all the steps from idea to cutting to filming to uploading. Know that I have 2 kids and very little time, so I just can't put too many hours in my videos at the moment. I had to figure it all out and put it all together in a way that one video comes out every week. And I did that. I'm kind of glad that I did it because I started something. Never thought that I'd do it someday. And I promise you, my dear subscribers and spectators, that I will improve and try to produce even better and more content for you. I wish you all the best for the new year. Good health and inspiration and determination to accomplish your own goals. Thank you very much for watching this. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. And I'm really looking forward to another year full of projects and creation. See you.